How to insert a vertical line in Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a vertical line into your Microsoft Word document. So let's get started. First, make sure you have Microsoft Word document open. If you don't have one open yet, go ahead and create a new document. Now look at the top of your screen and click on the Insert tab. This is where you will find all the tools you'll need to add shape and lines. Now click on Shapes. A drop down menu will appear. From there, select the line option. This is the tool we'll use to create our vertical line. Here, a little tip. To ensure your line is perfectly vertical, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard while you draw the line. Just click and drag your mouse to create the line, and there you go. You have inserted a vertical line. If you want to customize your line, simply double click on it and this will open up option where you can change the outline, size, color, and even add dashes or arrows. And that's it. You have successfully inserted a vertical line into your Word document using this simple method. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. And I'll see you in the next video.